And the Sunshine Girls will face Australia in their first ever gold medal match at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England, following their 67-51 thrashing of world number 2 New Zealand in their semi-final game today.
It is not often that the Sunshine Girls get the better of Australia and New Zealand, but to do it in the same championship is nothing short of historic. The Jamaicans, who on Thursday beat world number 1 Australia for the first time at a major championship, were still on a high coming into their semi-final against world number 2 New Zealand. And the Connie Francis coach ladies were on the go from the opening whistle. The Jamaicans won all but one quarter as they outscored the Silver Ferns 18-9, 18-13 and 16-13 over the first three periods. By the start of the fourth quarter, the Jamaicans were in a commanding position with a 17-goal lead with a score 52-35. And even then, the world number 4 Sunshine Girls didn't let up as they kept within a point of New Zealand, who won the quarter 16-15. Captain Janelle Fowler was once again flawless under the rim as she netted 54 goals from 54 attempts for her third perfect game performance of the championships. Goal attack Shanice Beckford was also perfect with 10 goals from 10 attempts. Defender Shamira Sterling, speaking to Taloa TV on YouTube, says the belief and focus of the team will remain.
Well, the key thing for us is not getting ahead of ourselves. Not because we've just beaten the number 1 and number 2 team. We know that anybody who we come up against in the finals will be coming straight at us, so hoping to be prepared for that.
And in the midst of triumph, Sterling reminded those celebrating that without the journey, there can be no success.
Oh my God, what would a gold medal be to me? Well, I hope the Prime Minister is seeing this, that the Sunshine Girls does not really have a sponsor. We have a lead sponsor, which is Beryllium, but would like to have more sponsors on board to support the Sunshine Girls for us to get paid because we do this voluntarily.
The Sunshine Girls will once again face the world number 1 in the gold medal match on Sunday as Australia defeated England 60-51 in their semi-final. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.